to Monster Trucks Island! Our monster trucks are enjoying the sun! Oh no! A shark attack!
Oh yeah, let's catch some waves!
Hold on, there's a giant shark in the water.
Oh, he's chill. Nothing to be scared of.
I feel a tournament of titans coming on!
Let's jump the shark for the Titan Cup.
Let's go! And now for our first matchup. Invader. Operation Storm. Whoa! Bombs away to kick off the tournament. But Operation Stomp is the one who completes his mission.
Camo crushed it.
Rex. We'll crush it all. An epic photo finish! Wow, let's see that again! Wow, Mega Rex lands first and wins by a dino nose!
Wreck and roar.
Motosaurus! Abysmal! Oh no! Abysmal ends up in the deep blue sea, and Motosaurus lands safely on the beach to move on to the next round.
That was dynamite!
Bone Shaker! Radical Racer! Bone Shaker wins the Battle of the Rat Rods with a tumbling finish. And Radical Racer becomes Shark Bait.
Thrash and smash!
Hotwheeler! Holy mackerel! Tiger Shark launches over his sharky friend to say hello and chomps the landing for a photo finish. Hotwheeler is all bark, no bite.
Fear the frenzy.
One bad ghoul. Piranha. Oh no! One bad ghoul puts a spell on Piranha before sticking the landing, and the shark gets another snack.
Now you see me, now you don't.
Ringmaster. A photo finish! Ringmaster and Hot Wheels Racing #1 are neck and neck over the shark, but Ringmaster takes the win by a tire.
Not so fast! Haha!
Shark attack! All y'all gets bounced out of the competition by the shark, and Shark Reek soars through the finish for a fishy win.
Shred him into fish sticks.
Round 2. Operation Stop. Mega Rex.
It's time to stomp you out of here.
Not so fast, rookie. You'll be shark bait after I'm done with you.
Oh, so close. The shark wanted a bite of Operation Stomp, but we'll save him for a midnight snack. Mega Rex flies into the semis.
Have fun with the shark.
Motosaurus.
Let me guess. The shark has your bones shaking. Keep your spikes to yourself. I'll be just fine.
Oh no! Motosaurus makes himself at home in the shark jaws. And Bone Shaker clears the danger for another win.
Told you I don't get nervous.
One bad ghoul.
This is my house. My shark friends are nice, I promise.
I'll just take your word for it.
It sure is a feeding frenzy out there. Tiger Shark flies clean into the finish, while one bad ghoul is sleeping with the fishes.
Oh, this Titan Cup is mine.
Ringmaster! Shark Reek!
Hey, this isn't a circus. Welcome to the Shark Tank.
I'm here for the Titan Cup. Sharks don't scare me.
Well, this is awkward. Shark Reek gets eaten by the shark! Maybe he wanted to count his teeth? Ringmaster moves on.
Step right up, right into the semifinals.
You again. I'm going to crush you.
Well, that's aggressive. Want to race?
Oh, what a rough way to go out. Bone Shaker gets a good whiff of shark's breath, and Mega Rex flies into the finals.
No, are you afraid of sharks?
Ringmaster!
You may be the ringmaster, but this is my Shark Tank.
I love being the underdog. We'll see who the true master is.
What a finish! Tiger Shark lands another perfect race, while Ringmaster gets cold feet and bounces out of the tournament.
I'm bringing the Titan Cup home to my shark people.
Well, it all comes down to this. Our contenders have avoided shark attacks and are ready to take their bite of Titan Cup. He avoided extinction and is hungry for the Titan Cup. Give it up for the savage monster Mega Rex. That's not a rumble in the jungle. It's the untamed predator and two-time Titan Cup winner, Tiger Shark. This is it for the Titan Cup. It's all over! Tiger Shark has a rough takeoff and lands directly in the shark's jaws! Meanwhile, Megarex soars clean over the shark one last time and safely into the winner's circle.
Wreck and roar.
Well, Megarex, you really crushed it out there today. How'd you do it?
Well, I'm not extinct yet. The other trucks may have been intimidated by the shark, but not this savage monster.
Wait, what's this? 4 monster trucks at once? Hey, what did the finish sign do to you? The diecast want a piece of the action. Well, that's all for today. Tune in next time for the Tournament of Titans.